living room. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video is also another room tour. Surprise, surprise. I look like this. Of course it's going to be another room tour in the new flat. Today's video is the living room, which is probably the place we spend most of our time. Most of our time's divided by the living room and the study. If you haven't seen the office tour, definitely go check that out because it is by far my favourite room in this whole flat. Let's get on with the video. So we'll start to the door of the living room. This is an overview of the whole room itself. It is a very large living room, but can get very cold very easily. It's bigger than our old living room, and that one was quite a nice size as well. So we've been quite lucky with living room sizes. On the right as you walk in, we have a rechargeable battery station. We use these batteries mainly for my sound recorder, which I'm currently using now, and for Chris's Xbox controller. On the floor next to this are some bags that I frequently use. One is my work bag and the other is a small backpack that I use daily. To the left we have a small table. This holds items that we want to showcase, however it is slightly cluttered at the moment. This is my framed university degree, I'm very proud of it. I got a first. Next to that is a photo of me, Chris and his family from our graduation back in 2018. In front of the photo is Chris's trophy that he won from playing poker. Then the rest is just a bit of clutter that should probably find a new home. The shelf below also has a load of random items on it. And the bottom shelf holds the boxes from both our awards and an old pillow. I'm selling my old vlogging camera, so that is currently sat next to the table in the box. If you're interested, please DM me on Twitter or Instagram if you want to buy it. Moving along, we have my yoga mat. I really should be doing more fitness, but it's there just to try and motivate me more. Moving on to the bookshelf. This holds all our books, obviously, and a few other items such as the Wi-Fi router. We have some cool lights set up at the back of the bookcase, which you can see now. In front of the cactus is my director's award, which I'm really proud of. I made a whole video about it if you're interested. To the left of the bookshelf, we have our first large window of this room. The windows bring in so much light, they're such a great size. We also keep the wireless doorbell ringer here so we can hear it if someone rings the doorbell. Opposite that, we have a candle that was given to me for Christmas. Moving on to the sofa. The sofa is from IKEA. You can check out my IKEA haul if you are interested in a more detailed breakdown of this sofa. These two cushions are from HomeSense and the last one was gifted to me from a commercial shoot that I worked on last year. In the corner we have a set of plugs. The first one is a phone charger and the other is for our laptops. Chris is now going to demonstrate how the sofa transforms into a double bed. There's also storage underneath to keep all the bedding in there for guests. Opposite the sofa, we have our classic yellow reading chair and the footstool. This teddy was mine as a child, and as a kid I used to wear the jumper that it has on. Next to the chair, we have our classic cactus lamp. This was from HomeSense as well. Alexa, turn on the cactus. Moving along, we have our TV and TV stand.
Sorry, I didn't find a device named couch.
What? Alexa, turn off the cactus. The stand itself was from Amazon and was a present from my dad. The first cupboard holds all our DVDs. In the middle is Chris's Xboxes. The second cupboard holds his Xbox games. The TV is a Philips Smart TV, although sometimes it doesn't seem so smart because it keeps disconnecting from the Wi-Fi. We also have an Amazon Alexa. We have a coffee table that we purchased from Spock, and it holds all our games and board games. In the corner we have a radiator. Then we have our second large window. The view from this window is so pretty, we can see Canary Wharf. On this windowsill, I have a photo of my brother and sisters at my dad and stepmom's wedding. Both of the curtains that we have in this room are blackout curtains, meaning no light can get in when they are drawn. In between both windows is another radiator. And that concludes the living room tour. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this living room tour. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll see you for another room tour at some point in the near future. Bye guys!